What is the up, fam squad? We're back at it again, April 27th, 11:25 p.m., the 25th minute of 11 p.m. on the 27th day of April. And we be back at it again, doing some leak code. Today I had a very good day, to be honest. Woke up, slept in, uh, and then in the afternoon watched Minecraft with my girl. The Minecraft movie. Fell asleep because it's just a kids movie. I don't know why my girl wanted to watch it. It's so stupid, but I fell asleep there. Jack Black was great. Just Jack Black. Jason Momoa, classic, so good. But I fell asleep because the movie was just what the fuck. And then had a nice chat with Sam, my friend, talking about will AI actually replace software engineers, which I think for junior persons, yes, like basic automation tasks, um, basic scripting stuff, I feel like AI can pretty much do. But I still hold on to the belief that in the near future, more niche problems will not be solved by AI simply because they're not smart enough. And also within the financial context, I feel like um, LLMs are very difficult to implement because of regulations and stuff. They wouldn't let financial institutions train their own LLMs using customer data, right? Because that's just a breach of privacy. So I feel like to be a person in tech, you would want to be in finance. Just my 2 cents, and I feel like I'm heading in the right direction because that's exactly what I want to do. I want to be in high frequency trading. I guess um, the point that I was making was more directed towards banking stuff like HSBC, UBS, that sort of institution. But I feel like in HFT as well, like unless they set up their own LLM infrastructure, I don't think um, software engineers in those firms will be replaced because all their code is proprietary. They will never put their code into an LLM for it to become public data, right? There's no way. So I feel like in those cases, software engineers are still safe, and that's where I'm headed towards. Still trying hard to get there, obviously. Nobody said it was going to be easy, but we getting there slowly but surely. So today, after all of that shit, I did. What did I do? I did a finish my homework six. It's due May 14th or some shit. Like I'm doing pretty well in that course. Um, and then um, learned a little bit about heap. So heap is a partially sorted tree. Um, I learned about the array of representation of a tree. And heaps are kind of like that. I don't know what priority queues are yet. I've learned how to a insert an element into a heap. So you basically push it to the end of the array and then you compare with its parents' nodes. But I think, right? So heaps would be like complete trees, I think. Um, yeah, full complete trees. So full meaning every single node has either zero or two children. Complete meaning every level except the last uh, will be completely filled, right? So there are no nulls. Um, yeah. So let's see if there are any easy. Okay, harm. Like if there are any easy key questions, just to get my feet wet a little bit, I guess. What is this? Integer array score of size n, where score I is the score of the ith athlete in a competition. Sure. So the n athletes. All the scores are guaranteed to be unique. Sure. The athletes are placed based on their score, where the first place athlete has a high score. Okay, so dot sort, I'm thinking of um, sort score dot begin, score dot end, um, right? Something like that. Second place athlete has a second satisfier, gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. For the fourth place, the nth place, the rank is the placement number. Okay, so index plus one, something like that. Return. Mm, okay, let's see. Um, um, I'm thinking of a map. I sort this first, and then I'll map the first one to the value gold medal, second value bronze, silver. No. I don't know if that's the way to do it though. Let's say score, right? Sort, right? I should sort it in descending order. Uh, Ascending order, right? Yeah, but I have to reverse it. So how do I? Mm, mm, uh, Whatever, not a big deal. This is not the bulk of it. So this is sorted now, and then an ordered map of int string, right? For in n in four. What I want to do is if n equals no, 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 no. I should use in I should use indexes. If I equal to zero, which is the first element, then for I, which is the key, right, will be equals to gold medal. Else if this will be silver medal. Else if right, bronze medal. Else string, how to put, I think it was something like this, something like that. Do this, do string, C++. Add a to string the I, to string I, right? Yeah. See if this works. Okay, so now I have a map, and then what I want to do is 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 I have a vector of strings, right? I'll return a vector of strings called result or in in score. What I want to do here is res dot push back map loading n, so the key maps key, right? And then return res, something like that. Oh, and no, I sorted it. The sort. What? I thought this was return. It doesn't return anything. It just sorts, right? Yeah. Sub 9843, right? Sub would be the first. Okay. Or copy. Um, vector of int score copy equals score. Okay. Okay, I did it, but I don't think this is how I'm supposed to do it. Um, let's see. This is my solution. Uh, Excuse me. Priority queue, I haven't hashing. Sorting and mapping is the one I did. Priority queue. Heap, I don't know how to use first. Yeah, well, okay, let's see. I've done that. It was a poor solution and I didn't do it with the heat way, right? But I guess I did get it done. Okay. Given the array of integer nums, we will choose different indices I and j of that array. The obvious way is to brute force, but what is a smart way? The smart way is to use heat, but I don't know what heat does. Brett, Brett. So I'll skip it. I think, yeah, I've coded today, and I'm okay with just chilling out tonight because I've already done my homework today, and I don't know what heap is yet. So I will chill for now. I'll be back in like 12 hours. So, so yeah, so yeah. I think what's the most pressing matter on my mind is like, yeah, I mean, being a software engineer right now is very difficult, man, because like there's such huge job insecurity, um, massive layoffs. Intel is laying off 20% of the workforce. It's just a lot of shit going on in the tech industry with tariffs and bullshit. I mean, I'm in the blessed scenario where I'm not forced to look for work. I'm still taking my time to like get to where I want to be, and I'm very grateful for my parents' um support. And just having patience in myself and my ability, believing in myself and my ability. Yeah, it's a little positive affirmation. Anyways, JBBNT. See you, fam. Peace.